Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another online course for you, which is free Google Data Studio A to Z course for data visualization and dashboard. Before moving on to the details of free Google Data Studio course, let me tell you about our channel. So we provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Moving further about free Google Data Studio course. So the course is provided by Udemy, which is an online learning platform aimed at professional adults and students. They're providing a free certified online Google Data Studio A to Z to become a hero from zero during the lockdown. The detailed information and registration process has been discussed in the website, so you can refer to the website if you have any kind of queries. Free Google Data Studio A to Z course details. Requirements. So you just need a computer with an internet connection, and this is a beginner friendly course, though it does not require any previous knowledge. What will you learn? So you will learn how to use Google Data Studio to turn your data into fully customizable informative reports, all chart types that one can draw in Google Data Studio, sharing and collaborating, branding a report, embedding external content into the report, embedding your Google Data Studio report on your website, adding data range and filter controls to your dashboards. So course content. Then this is about the course content, how many lectures and about their timings. What can you do with Data Studio? Visualize your data through highly configurable charts and tables. Easily connect to a variety of data sources. Share your insights with your team over the world. Collaborate on reports with your team and speed up your report creation process. Who this course is for? So this is for students who wish to join the field of analytics, working professionals looking to learn a powerful dashboarding and data visualization tool. This course includes 4 hours on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and a certificate of completion. How to register for the course? There are 3 steps. You should have account on Udemy. If not, then you can create an account and log in. Second, you have to click on the link which we have provided, and third, you have to enter the coupon code which is provided in our website. But this coupon code can expire anytime, so you have to apply for the course as soon as possible. So let's click on this link and we'll move to another website for Udemy. Now you can see that this is a paid course, but we'll pursue this course for free. So click on apply coupon and you have to enter the coupon code here which was provided on our website. So once you apply the coupon code, you can see that you can pursue this course for free. Click on enroll now and you can start your course by any time. Moving on to Fresher Camp website, so we have provided all the details regarding application process and links. So you can refer to the website if you have any kind of queries. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. And link for free Google Data Studio A to Z course is provided in the description. So thank you.